Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So the Feds came out and said interest rates will ease off as soon as this month, or interest rate hikes will ease off this month. So market responded. We had a pretty strong rally in the euro, and obviously that translates to good news for the DAX. And the DAX has been an upward trend since the beginning of November, so yeah, to be honest, did you expect anything less? So any kind of pullback was just a situation. The way I look at it is any pullback was to get the oscillators to ease off, which is what happened. We've got diversions now as well. So this is no longer a flag, in my view. This is now a flat top triangle that has broken. We did break up here last week, but we pulled back into it. Now we've broken up above it. So we're looking for a move above last week's high, because that's going to be the high of November as well. Sorry, this is the high of November, but anyway, last week's high will mean pretty much the same thing. So looking for a break above it, retest for a continuation. That's the one way of looking at this. And then the other way of looking at this is looking for a pullback onto structure, and the structure is right over here at 14,489. So get down to the 1 hour. Gap is closed. Those weekly gaps typically always close. Very rare that they don't close. It's a higher probability of the gap closing than anything else. And we were sideways again yesterday. Day before, well, I did say to you yesterday, if it carries on like this, not interested in this, we need to break the extremes before we start looking for anything, and we have broken those extremes. So now I'm looking for the pullback. So first pullback would be nice is 14489. That's the first area that I'd be interested in. Then I'm just going to use this bottom level. Doubt we're coming back here this week. And then the next area is pretty much this, right where price is now at 14,579, but then 14,551 as well. So that's something else that I would be interested in. Just want to double check there's no gaps here. Don't see anything that's glaringly obvious. Nope. So yeah, that's kind of my view. And if you look at the oscillators in the 50-minute, that's kind of what's going to happen. We should find some structure, and then we're looking for a move up. It is going to be important just to swing left on the higher time frames, because you can see where we are. Let's just get back to the weekly rather. There is a weekly high right there, and that validates what to me is a double bottom. It's a bit clearer on Dow Jones, but that is something we need to pay attention to. Only concern I have on the weekly is that we are, well, not yet, but we are getting overextended on the oscillators. So yeah, it's a bit of a mess above us as well. Just keep that in the back of your mind. So you see there's the area. So I don't see us getting beyond that area this week. It is quite far. So 14,715 and 14,842. But yeah, I think the rally is probably going to continue. So wait for the breakouts. And the nice thing about this is you can get a break and retest here. You've got a 67-point stop loss, and you're looking for 100 points and then 200 point gain to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.